Hello, the program we are trying to implement is called Growing Gardens. This program will target elementary school students between the ages of 5 and 11 years old. We will focus on elementary schools in Wayne County, Michigan, as this county is the highest populated county in Michigan and is also considered the second unhealthiest county. Here are some of the cities within Wayne County and a breakdown of the ethnicities of our target population. As seen in the previous slide, a large percentage of children 5 to 11 years old that are living in Wayne County are considered ethnic minorities. Ethnic minorities statistically are more susceptible to health problems. Overall, 18.4% of children in this age group in the U.S. are obese, and most do not consume enough vegetables. Children are still consuming highly processed foods that are filled with saturated fats. Growing Gardens will help implement the use of gardens during spring and summer. Planting indoors can be utilized if outside space is limited or during the fall and winter season. Every month, schools will have the option to visit a field trip to a local farm, farmer's market, and local gardens to learn basic skills of gardening and farming, as well as learning the importance of consuming enough fruits and vegetables. The other option would be to host an assembly where a local farmer or vendor can come in and speak about the importance of fruits and vegetables. Families, including parents and caretakers, can also be invited to chaperone during the field trips and attend assemblies to gain knowledge. This knowledge could be used at home to further improve the consumption of fruits and vegetables. Schools will not be able to choose the same option for 3 consecutive months. For example, a school cannot schedule 3 assemblies in a row. A field trip to a local farm or market must be utilized. So the overall objective or goal for Growing Gardens is to increase the consumption of fresh fruits and vegetables while decreasing their intake of saturated fats. While educating students about eating more fruits and vegetables is important, incorporating more hands-on activities such as growing a garden can help engage and motivate students. By inviting family members to events in the school, this program also encourages families to learn more. This adds to our efforts if parents are also adopting healthy eating habits, as this can be encouraged at home. This program includes both benefits for individual students and the community. For an individual, our message promotes eating more fruits and vegetables, which promotes a healthier lifestyle. This can increase one's quality of life. Educators, during assemblies, for example, can give additional information so students have more knowledge, which can increase their self-efficacy. And as students become more healthy, they limit the sick days away from school and also decreases money spent on healthcare costs. Students going to local farms can develop relationships as they engage more in the community as well. The benefits in the community include setting an example for surrounding counties, promoting the consumption of fruits and vegetables as a social norm, and helping local businesses. To make sure this program is successful in its goals and represents a variety of subgroups within our target population, it would be important to include all of the following members. It is important for these members to vary in age, gender, race, and socioeconomic backgrounds. This policy and program will fill in the gap in Michigan, since healthy eating and nutrition curriculum and marketing healthy choices are policies that are not addressed in Michigan. To assist us in our efforts, we will work with Keep Growing Detroit to encourage gardening and Michigan's Fresh Fruit and Vegetable Program to help educate students about eating more fruits and vegetables. To ensure our program is making a difference, we will use surveys to assess the knowledge of gardening skills. And to evaluate fruits and vegetable intake, a 24-hour recall can be given to students. With the help of their parents, 24-hour recalls will be given in the beginning and end of the year. From this, we can see if our program is achieving our goals. If not, committee members will meet to think of ways to improve our program. Thank you for watching.